Hi, welcome to my video open house. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today we're going to tour 1248 Barnes. It's on Bloomington's east side. Let's take a look. This pristine ranch is flawless. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 studies on the main, plus a bonus room upstairs. There is really wonderful preparation space in this custom kitchen with 48-inch cabinetry, granite, and wonderful preparation area. The master on the main is at the back of the house, and it backs up to a preserve behind. It's just wooded beauty. There are 2 main level secondary bedrooms that are served by a hall bath. This is one of the libraries on the main level. This upper level bonus room is perfect for guests or a wonderful study. It also has its own bathroom. Thank you for touring my video open house at 1248 Barnes Drive. Please feel free to call me, Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com. My phone number is 812-360-5333. I'm with FC Tucker Realtors.